Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. The topic that is about we need to simplify this one. So now I want to show you how to answer. About secant of x, that is about 1 over cosine x. This one we have 1 over sine x. Next, in this situation, we need to multiply by sin x cosine x on numerator and denominator. Next, cosine x we multiply by this one and we have like this. Sin x multiplied by this one and we have like this. Next, we have the formula in here. Sin x squared plus cosine x squared equals to number 1. So we have 1 minus cosine x squared. So I will put this one go to the right and we have like this. We have 1 minus sin x squared, so I will put sin x squared go to the right and we have cosine x squared equals to 1 minus sin x squared. This one we change by sin x squared. This one we change by cosine x squared. And now we simplify like this. And this one we have sin x over cosine x and we have tan x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.